Hi, in this video we'll show you how you can create and manage your deal pipeline using Solid Performance CRM. We have provided you with the deal pipeline in the sales dashboard, and in this particular deal pipeline graph you can see the expected closure value for at least the next 1 year. Using Solid Performance deal module, you can manage all your expected payments for the future along with the probability, and in this video I will show you clearly on how you can manage this deal pipeline using the dashboard, as well as how you need to update all the data in the deal module so that it will reflect in the deal pipeline graph in the dashboard. This data is generated on an automated basis based on the update whatever you are making it in the deal module, and in order to update this particular pipeline you need to go and make the changes in the deal module. Let me show you an example. I'm going to deal module, and in here I'm adding a new deal. Now this deal I can fill all the other data. I'm mentioning the name as sample user and all other data. In here you can see three special fields as expected closure value, expected closure date, and the probability. Based on these three data only, your sales pipeline in the dashboard will get generated. Let me open the dashboard also in new tab. If you see here, the expected payment for January is 250,000. Now I'm going to add a new deal, and I'm going to mention the expected closure value as 100,000. And the expected closure date I'm keeping it as January 18th, and the probability I'm going to mention it as 50%. Now what will happen is I'm expecting this particular deal to get closed in the month of January, and the expected closure value is 100,000. But the probability is only 50%, which means it is only 50,000 out of this 100,000 is what I'm expecting. So automatically 50,000 will get added along with the January pipeline once I mark that update. Let me just go and add this particular deal. And now if I come back and refresh, already it is 250,000. Once I refresh, it became automatically to 300,000. Now this is how your deal pipeline data will get generated. Now what will happen in case if you are modifying the data? You have expected this sample user to pay 100,000, but now due to some circumstances he want to upgrade your product or service, and he is asking for a new quote with all new added feature. So what you can do now is you can simply edit this particular deal, and you can change the expected closure value. Maybe you are changing it to 200,000, and you are expecting the probability to be around 70% because based on whatever communication you had with the deal, it seems promising. So you are changing the probability, and still you are keeping the deal closure in January month only. So now if you update this deal, if you come back and refresh the sales dashboard, now the deal value got increased from 300,000 to 390,000. So this is how your deal pipeline will fluctuate based on the update whatever you are making it in the deal module. Now in case you are changing this expected date of closure from January to December, so you can just go back and edit, and you are changing the expected closure date from January to December, or if you are changing it in the future days, anything you can do, then based on that automatically the deal pipeline in the dashboard will also get updated. So if I refresh this now, currently if you see it is only 318,000, and if I refresh this, it became 458,000. So this is basically generated as a combination of various deals that you are expecting for that particular month and the probability of expectation. Maybe if you consider this December month, it might be a combination of 5 or 10 deals, and that is what you are getting it as an output over here. Since you can easily see the deal pipeline and forecast your business growth, you can also easily predict and invest more on marketing and other related activities in order to generate more sales in that particular months. I hope by now you got a clear idea of how the deal pipeline module is getting updated in Solid Performance CRM. To summarize, you can create various deals in Solid Performance CRM, and the deal pipeline for the next 1 year will get displayed on the dashboard. This deal pipeline is generated based on the expected closure value, expected closure date, and the probability of closure. And it is a combination of various deals which are expected to close in a particular month, and you can easily predict your sales growth using this deal pipeline graph available in the dashboard. Hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more future updates like this. Thank you.